We are at the most state-of-the-art central laundry plant in the Southwest called Bluewater Linen. This is number one, our pride and joy, because it does so many things for our associates. It's ergonomic, everything is picked up by mechanical arms, dropped by mechanical arms. But the top and most important thing is really the cleanliness and condition of the product that comes out of this plant. Most central laundry plants mix both hospital linen and care facility linen with hospitality linen. And in Bluewater, we are solely hospitality linen. And that's for many reasons. More important now today than ever, but it's important for us to make sure that the linen that comes out of here is absolutely top quality. So not only is the product top quality, but the machinery that you see keeps our linen in really the highest standard in our industry.
My job is to come in and make sure that the chemistry is balanced out, giving the right and best quality that we can to the customers that are out there using the product. My name is Joseph De Los Santos. I work for Ecolab, Textile Care Division. The chemical itself is not bad. It's actually a good eco-friendly chemical. Ecolab makes sure that the chemicals they do utilize are eco-friendly for all of our customers.
Not only is the product that you see here first class, but the cleanliness standard, the chemical that we use in the machinery, the temperature of the water that we use in this machinery, absolutely make sure that all viruses, all germs are taken out of that, and so that you can rest assured with 100% certainty when you lay in one of our beds, put your face in one of our pillows, dry off with one of our towels, or use one of our robes, you are using something that is absolutely spotless and of the highest caliber.